Welcome to the ETD tutorial series by the Florida International University Graduate School. This video will show you how to format your abstract page. First, go to our LibGuide. Click the Formatting tab. Scroll down to the Formatting Rules section and click the Abstract Page tab. Scroll down to download the appropriate template. Once you download the document, open it in Microsoft Word. The most important things to remember are as follows. 1. Be consistent with your name and title. Make sure it matches the title page and the signature page. 2. Don't use bold. Don't use italics unless you are using Latin or formulas, and don't use quotation marks except for direct quotes and the titles of other works. 3. Make sure the margins are intact, especially if your abstract is for a dissertation and is over a page long. Double check the top margin. It must be 1 inch. Four. For dissertations, the abstract body text must not exceed 350 words, and for theses, it must not exceed 150 words. 5. Be sure to change the font to black and save. 6. Make sure everything is double-spaced. Make sure there's no extra spacing beneath the heading section.